This video is brought to you by Squarespace.
It feels so surreal saying this right now, but welcome to Japan. Welcome to Osaka. So if you're planning a trip, we're going to be showing you two of our favourite things.
At the arcade, they've got metal ninja stars.
Eating one of the world's best cuisine, Japanese street food. Showing you everything to do right here in Osaka, which is one of the two major cities that you'll probably fly into here in Japan.
Hey everyone, we're Stephen, Jess and little Hunter, an Australian family who just recently found out that we are expecting a new little baby on the way. So to celebrate, we've headed out on a trip to one of our most favourite countries in the world, Japan.
One of my favourite things about Osaka has to be the street food. So we are taking little Hunter on a walk all around Dotonbori and basically finding all our favourite street foods. Sightseeing.
Wow.
What do you see?
Look at the dragon.
You see the dragon?
Yeah, it's
Can I ask you a question?
Huh?
Would you like to try some teppanyaki?
Okay.
Our little hack for street food, no matter where you are, is we always look for a place with the longest line because we just assume it's got to be good. And with Japan, I think no matter what, it's going to be better than anything that we make back home.
Huh? They're like octopus balls. Do you want to try?
Okay.
Do you like the little flag?
Okay.
That's for you. How good do these look? They're like a crispy battered ball with soft octopus inside, and then they put this yummy, it's almost like a barbecue kind of sauce on top, and then Japanese mayonnaise, and then these little bits that you see moving around. They're a special like fish, and they're so thinly cut that the heat makes them move. Can you see it all moving, Hunter? Huh? Is it alive? What? Should I eat one? Let's do it.
Yeah, do it.
It's gonna be hot, isn't it? Oops, she had a big bite. Ooh, do you like it? It's called Takoyaki. Good?
Yeah, good.
All right, Mummy's gonna try the rest then, I think.
Should Daddy try?
Yes.
Yes.
No, how to die.
Hunter taste. There you go. This is so good. Uh-oh.
She loves them.
Me die.
I'm so happy you like street food, Baba. Can you say takoyaki?
Takoyaki.
Yeah.
So good, honey. Do your all 2-year-olds like takoyaki? I'm impressed, Hunter.
I'm impressed because most 2-year-olds don't enjoy seafood. She is smashing that down.
Nom nom.
So good. Cheers. Cheers. And this is all I've ever wanted to do with you is eat street food in Japan, and you enjoy it. I am so proud of you.
Hot, hot.
Hot, hot?
No hot.
I'm dying. Is it so good?
I think because it's Hunter's first like street food experience, you just never know if she's going to enjoy it. So you're like, okay, we'll bring her out. She's just dived right in. This is like a proud parent moment right now. Oh, I just can't get over this.
Oh, Hunter.
Just sitting on the street, chowing down. Oh, get it, Bubby.
You can use your hands if you want.
It's street food. No one will judge.
Just grab. Just grab it.
All done.
Hunter, do you want more street food?
All done.
Ooh. So this is a rice ball dumpling, and it's got like a sweet soy sauce on top. I think you're really gonna like this one. It's really sticky and sweet.
Nom nom.
It's like a rice ball. You bite hard, it's like a big sticky ball. There you go. Is it yummy? Oh, it is so yummy. That sauce. It's almost like a honey soy sauce. Wow. Another success. A warm ball of rice. Can't go wrong with that candy. Should Dad try?
Okay.
I have to think about it. Here you go, Dad.
No.
Okay, you can have it.
I think she wants the rest of it, Dad.
Yeah.
I think Hunter can officially run all the food segments on Fly the Nest now.
Hunter, what is your review? Is it yummy?
You'll know if it's not yummy. She is very brutally honest with these food reviews. I think we've got another 10 out of 10. Is it a superhero? You know you're in Osaka when you come to this bridge and you see that guy. What's he called? I call him the running man. Hunter calls him the superhero. What does Iron Man do? What does Hulk do? What does Superman do? Spider-Man do? What's Spider-Man do? Oh, she's dancing.
subway station, noticed a little train, so we decided to just jump on it. It's taken us a beautiful drive through the gardens, and now we're about to enter into the Osaka castle.
Hey, that's all.
So we just arrived at Osaka Castle, and we just saw that there's these boats that take you 20 minutes around the castle, which I think is going to be such a beautiful view and a cool way to see the spot. Oh, it's There, look! Wow. Come see. Show everyone the castle.
Anna lives here.
Anna lives here.
Anna lives here.
Anna lives here.
Do you see the lions on it? Or are they tigers? And what colour's the castle?
A goldy white.
Yeah, goldy and white.
Being down here on the little boat trip, you can just put into perspective how well this defensive moat was. There's actually two of them. There's an inner and an outer. When you're looking down here and just thinking if you're wanting to invade this castle, there is a deep moat here, and not even including the walls just to get up to it. And then you factor in the Osaka defense on top of that, shooting at you while you're trying to get in. Now that we're in the grounds, we can officially welcome you to Osaka Castle, probably one of the biggest icons in all of Japan, and it is also the biggest castle here in Japan. So I think one of the reasons we just love Japan so much is when it comes to the history, it's just the sheer breadth of history. So you can have shrines and temples dating back from hundreds to thousands of years old. This one is 450 years old. So about 1583, there was a feudal Japanese lord called Hideyoshi Toyotomi, probably butchering that. There was a lot of war going on in Japan, and when this was complete, it kind of had a little bit of peace. There was a stronghold, it unified, didn't last for too long. This castle has been destroyed, rebuilt a few times, some from war, some from fire, but it just is stunning. Like, you look at this, you've got this mixture of this classic Japanese history just here, and then surrounded by modern, and this is what we absolutely love about this country, is this juxtaposition between the two, and they still very much still embrace their history with the modern.
Look, he's made you something.
Oh, yes, a bird. Ah.
Yes, okay.
Oh, say arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you so much, that's so sweet.
We're just relaxing here in front of the castle, and an old gentleman was so excited that we're here in Japan, and he saw Hunter and made her a couple of origami pieces, a little bird and a butterfly.
Oh, let's see. So Daddy, what did he get?
And then like that.
So today we've come out to a little area called Tsūtenkaku, and this spot is quite famous. There are a lot of famous places to go and eat, lots of games you can play, but also they have this tower, and I heard that the locals call it the Eiffel Tower of Japan. So we're gonna go up it. Here we're gonna go so high.
They built it in 1912, it was about 64 meters high. That was after the war, then it kind of burnt down, and then they rebuilt it. And it kind of looks cool. It's like a really unique looking tower. It definitely looks like it's from the 1940s. It's made of metal, there's neon lights. At night is definitely worth coming down, but you can get some really beautiful views of Osaka. There's a couple of viewpoints you can go to. But this one just was right next to our hotel, so we thought it would come up.
I think we got a yellow one. Do we open it?
It is so dangerous coming to Japan with a little kid. There are vending machines everywhere. There are the claw games everywhere. You can't move without bumping into something.
And the issue is that we're a sucker for them too. So secretly I'm like, oh, Hunter would love a tower. I want to play it. I want the tower. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Are we up here right now? I think we're all the way up here.
Tickle, tickle.
Now we have good luck. So we've seen these big baby statues everywhere, and I think they give you good luck. Come rub my feet. Do you feel the luck?
Oh, it's surging through me.
So we've come out to one of the most famous places to try Kushikatsu. It's a local dish here in Osaka. It's basically you choose whatever you want and they deep fry it. And before we get that, actually, to start off, they've served us a big bowl of cabbage. I've never had cabbage as a starter before. And then you get your special sauce. Is it good? Wow. I That sauce is good. It's like a sweet soy sauce or something.
Oh, nice.
Yummy.
Before we get to the sake, because there's definitely going to be plenty of time for that, easing ourselves into Japan, so I've gone for like a Japanese cocktail chuhai. It's like alcoholic barley, carbonated water with some lemon.
Lemon you got?
I think I'll for the lemon
Try it.
flavor.
You never had it before.
Yeah, that's quite nice actually. Yeah, very sweet.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers!
Kanpai!
Kanpai!
Eggplant. So we let Dad choose what he wanted. He chose the tongue. Well, I think you need to dip it in sauce. Sauce. So you pour some sauce on top.
And eat it in one bite.
I think this is going to be too bad. Beef tongue. Make Dad try the interesting stuff. Is it hot?
Lovely.
Is it? I'm going to stick with my eggplant.
So you go for such a wide range of food. You can deep fry it, they've got it for sale here. So we've got for some shrimp, also got some eggplant and some pumpkin. As you can see, like we said, it's just all deep fried. Oh, good though. So tasty.
If you shoot it, you win it. And I want to win a box of Ritz crackers. Alright, so we're trying to win a Ritz cracker box.
David's gone first.
Oh, they're glued on. Ritz box. Oh, they didn't even move. I'm going for that Ritz. I'm going to keep going for it. It's not moving at all. Oh, it moved. I need to buy more. I'm surprised I'm just sleeping through this. Look, Daddy said he's going to try and win your prize.
So we're doing like a Japanese street kind of festival game just after our little snack.
Say, go, Dad, go. What did you get? What did you get?
I don't know.
Oh, Daddy won your prize.
I want a new prize.
Huh? What is it?
That wasn't what I was aiming for at all.
She woke up at the best time. Go on, here it is. Come on. Good work,
So only in Japan, at the arcade, they've got metal ninja stars. Let's see if I win something like this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There you go.
Say thanks, Ninja Dad.
We need more.
Hey everyone, we just wanted to quickly say a big thank you to our longtime friends and partners of the channel Squarespace for partnering up with us on this video. So if you are new around here, Squarespace is the amazing all-in-one platform where you can easily put together a website or blog. With the Christmas season coming up, it might be an amazing idea to gift a Squarespace membership to a friend or family member who's interested in starting their own blog or thinking of getting a website for their business. We have an exclusive discount code below where you can get 10% off your first purchase plus a free trial. So if you do have your own Squarespace website, please do link it below. I'm excited to go and check them out. And happy holidays, everybody. Let's head back to this Japan series.
So we just realised that 15-minute walk from our hotel is one of the oldest Buddhist temples in all of Japan. Come to check it out, but it just feels so surreal when you can be in such like an industrial big city and then you come across these little quiet temples, I guess, that bring you back in time.
So before we're heading into the temple, we are just paying our respects here. There's a little bit of a water fountain, so you have a drink, then you wash your left hand, you wash your right hand, and then you empty the rest out. So whether it's your first time coming to Japan, it's always worth coming to see a temple because they're just so striking with the tower design. It's so beautiful to come see. But if you have been to Japan or you have been to a temple, I still recommend you come and check out this one because this is one of the oldest temples in all of Japan, built in the 6th century, about 590 AD. It was built around the time when the introduction of Buddhism was coming into the country, so it marks a very important point in Japan's history. And even though it's burnt down, it's been rebuilt quite a few times, but they rebuilt it in the style of the 6th century temple.
We're just getting ready for dinner and it is currently sunset and I had to come out and look at the view of Osaka from our balcony here at our hotel. The views up here are incredible. Like, look at this, Steve. It is so nice. We've only seen the view up here really at night time, so coming out here at sunset. We have a view of the tower that we went up this morning. So incredible. This place is awesome as well. It has like a little kitchen. It has a washing machine, a bathtub, which Hunter loves, 2 big double beds. And I definitely recommend it.
We don't usually have in hotels in Japan.
No, really good. But we're going out for dinner and we are eating something very local, very traditional if you come to Osaka.
I tell you guys that there are vending machines everywhere and for anything, you gotta believe me, we're in a car park at the moment. And you know, when you're parking your car, you really just need to remember to get some sriracha. So specific.
There you go. And then you say, Okonomiyaki. Is that Hunter? A big crabby.
Look at Gabby, big Gabby.
So everybody, welcome to Dotonbori here in Osaka, and easiest way to describe this would be like the Times Square of Osaka. You have just so many billboards, you got giant caricatures trying to convince you to come and eat in your restaurant, whether it's a giant crab, an octopus. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's worth visiting. Coming around here, there's street food, there's restaurants, like you're gonna find a good evening just walking around, just being amazed how they've built this place.
So we've come out for Okonomiyaki. It's one of our favorite things to eat when we come to Osaka, and I just love how they cook it right in front of you. But my favorite bit is putting the little fish flakes on top, and then they all like dance.
Is that from the heat?
Yeah,
From the heat.
so thick. What's it doing?
Whoa, look at it. Oh, pretty. Wow.
Yummy, yummy, Hunter.
What do you think, Manja?
Oh, yes.
This almost feels a little bit surreal because I don't know if you remember Jess, but like when the last time we were in Japan, Jess was mega pregnant.
Yes.
Yeah, so we were sitting down for dinner and I think we were talking about bringing Hunter to Japan to have her first Okonomiyaki.
And now we're here having it.
Yeah, all these years later.
And Mima's here.
And Mima's here. Me like it.
Really like.
That wraps up our little 48 hours here in Osaka. Stay tuned because tomorrow we have one more thing that we're going to do, and I think little Hunter is very excited. Honey Bear, can you say Yoshi?
Yoshi.
Can you say Mario?
Mario.
Can you say thanks for watching?
I watch that.
See you guys.
See you guys.
Bye.